This part 2 contains a bonus for you, which I am going to tell you about right now. If you want to use any of the 44 skills that I have provided in these 2 videos, it is not necessary for you to use the complete skill words from these skill sets. What I mean is that you should look at ways of how you can use one keyword from one skill and match it with a keyword taken from another skill set from the list. I have given 3 examples of how that can be done at the end of this video. Do let me know in the comments if any of you use these skills to upgrade your resume or CV. It will help motivate me to produce more such content for your career growth. Welcome to part 2, where we will see the other 22 special skill sets. I am sure you have seen how unique keywords have been used in various combinations to compile these skill sets, which I encourage you to add to your resumes. Let's check them out.
Embracing cognitive diversity, welcoming and utilizing a wide range of thinking styles and viewpoints.
Versatile thinking, finding the right mix between creativity and practicality to achieve the best results.
Resonant team building, cultivating high-performing teams through trust, empathy, and collaboration.
Crisis leadership, leading decisively and empathetically in times of crisis or rapid change.
Ethical AI implementation, deploying artificial intelligence responsibly and ethically.
Empowerment coaching, guiding individuals and teams to unlock their full potential and excel.
Adaptive negotiation, tailoring negotiation strategies to diverse contexts and stakeholders.
Language and behavior influence, using words and actions to impact and motivate others.
Experiential learning design, designing immersive learning experiences for accelerated skill acquisition.
Holistic problem solving, analyzing multifaceted challenges to develop sustainable and interconnected solutions that address complexities.
Augmented reality integration, harnessing AR technology for innovative and engaging content creation.
Agile resourcing, strategically managing and optimizing resources in dynamic environments.
Design thinking facilitation, guiding teams through the iterative design process to drive innovation.
Strategic scenario planning, anticipating and planning for multiple potential future scenarios.
Innovation metrics development, creating and measuring metrics to gauge innovation success.
Adaptive cultural integration, merging diverse cultures and values harmoniously for organizational synergy.
Interpersonal network building, building and nurturing valuable relationships for mutual benefit.
Inclusive market segmentation, identifying and serving diverse market segments inclusively.
Cross-generational leadership, leading and motivating diverse age groups effectively.
Dynamic resource optimization, efficiently allocating resources to adapt to changing needs.
Ambassadorial diplomacy, representing and fostering positive relations across diverse stakeholders.
Psychological safety cultivation, creating environments where individuals feel safe to take risks and innovate.